I'm just getting home from a 5:30 a.m. CrossFit class. And yes, I went with bedhead today. The only thing I do in the morning is rinse my face and brush my teeth. I don't wet my hair or anything like that. I just put clothes on, brush the teeth, and head on out to the gym. But let me just remind you about something. Every Wednesday morning, when I come home from the gym, I see my trash man. And I want to share something with you. This gentleman is one of the kindest, one of the friendliest. He enjoys what he does. And sometimes we sit and talk for a few minutes. When I say sit, I mean I sit on my wall and we just chat. And he's just a very respectful man. Maybe my age, maybe a little bit older, not quite sure. But every Christmas, he leaves a Christmas card taped to my trash can. And every Christmas, I leave him a gift. Same thing with my mailman. And you know why I do that? In my previous career, which started at the age of 23, when I first got into law enforcement, I worked for a department where I was surrounded by a few guys that only talked to people or only did nice things for people that could move them along in their career. To me, that shows me everything I need to know about their character. And I was always one, and this was not taught. I believe this is just in me because more was caught with me than things were taught to me. I believe the way you treat people who can do nothing for you, who knows if my trash man can do anything for me? Who knows if my mail carrier can do anything for me? Who knows if my cleaning lady can do anything for me? But that's not the point. The point is I treat those people the same way I treat my clients who I'm working for, selling their home or working with to help them purchase. Or in my previous career, my bosses. I treat everyone the same way. And I'm going to tell you, it really reveals everything about you when you treat certain people different than others. It speaks volumes. So here's a lesson for today. Say hello to that cashier at the local convenience store, gas station, or, grocery store, cashier. Why don't you make their day? Why don't you be as kind to them as you are to the person who you think can do something for you or move you along in your career? Character is one of the most important traits that we can have as human beings. So this lesson is treat those who can't do anything for you the same way you treat everyone else who can do things for you. Hope this message helps. Hope everybody has a great Wednesday. Weather is beautiful. Be grateful. I'm going to go inside and journal. I'm going to read a little bit, shower, and I have a few appointments today. But just remember, carry your day through with gratitude. Have a great day.